Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto reply messages on WhatsApp. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the WhatsApp application in your mobile and you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp application. Just go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and make sure there is no update. If there is any update, just make sure to update it. After updating, just open the WhatsApp application. Then tap on these three dots in the top right corner and go for this settings. Now tap on this business tools here and just scroll down to find this messaging tool section. And from here we can see this option which says quick replies. Just select that and as you can see these are the quick replies and you can also customize this the way you want. Tap on it and now you can easily customize it whatever you want you can type here. And then simply tap on the save button and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.